Hi everyone. This is what I want you to do for the outline that's due. You have a sample of this in your notes packet. And very quickly, it's a simple outline. I don't want it to be too complicated. It actually might be a little bit different from outlines you may have done in the past that have like the Roman numeral and the lowercase and the capitalized letter and is indented certain places. It doesn't have to be that complicated. I want you to follow this example that I have here. What I want you to do is go paragraph by paragraph and tell me what information is going to be in that paragraph. Kind of like we did when we reviewed the model essays, the sample essays. We figured out what information was in each body paragraph. Beginning with P1, paragraph 1, you can tell me, you have your choice. You can either tell me the first sentence that's going to be in your introduction, or you can tell me how you're going to introduce this career report. In the example, I've told you how I'm going to begin this first paragraph of my career report on proctology. Okay, and then paragraph 2, I'm going to tell you the definition of the career. And you would write the exact topic sentence and the entire topic sentence for that paragraph. I didn't do that here because I'm not actually researching, so I don't have a definition. But if this were your draft, if this were your outline, you would tell me, by definition, a proctologist is one who blank, right? So it's just the first sentence, the topic sentence of every body paragraph. And what I've done in this example is that I've given you a start, but I haven't told you all the paragraphs I'm going to put in. Now, this outline could be what I consider a wish outline. It doesn't have to have only the information that you've already found in your research. It can list a topic sentence with information that you hope to get in your research or maybe from your interview. So, for example, as a proctologist, for paragraph 5, as a proctologist, there are many duties to perform. Now, you can write that topic sentence even if you haven't found in your research the duties that the career performs. So, or that someone in this career performs. So again, this is kind of like a wish outline. And of course, if this were my real outline, I'd have more than just 7 body paragraphs because remember, this report is supposed to inform your reader about this career. So you want it to have lots of information. So you might want to go back to the outline, the prompt, where it says a list of information you might want to consider including in this report, and just write topic sentences for information that you think you'd like to consider. Another thing that this example outline has, but isn't required for your outline, is the parenthetical reference. So let's say that you've written a topic sentence like this one, right, for paragraph 3. And it's about history. We know that paragraph is going to be about the history of this career because it says so in the topic sentence. The history of proctology dates back to the early Neolithic period. Now, this is a ridiculous sentence, just like a lot of these are ridiculous examples, but they're just serve as a sample. So I just kind of wanted to have fun with it. But we know that in this paragraph, I'm going to be talking about the history of this profession, right, of this career. So let's say I actually found information about the history of this career. And I know it came from a source whose author's last name is Burrell. That's the first thing I'm going to put on the works cited page. And it comes on page 571. If you already know that information, you have that research, you are welcome to go ahead and put a parenthetical citation in the paragraph that has that information. You can do that as a way of guiding yourself and helping yourself get to that rough draft. Again, it's not required for this outline. The only thing that's required is a title and then paragraph by paragraph, your topic sentences. Back to the title. Instead of telling me the career, I didn't write proctology up here, but I actually wrote a title that I created for this draft. So I'd like for you to have a title, not just the title or the subject of the career that you are going to be researching for this report. Okay, so overall, just to recap, a title, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, tell me all of these topic sentences And again, it can be a wish outline, meaning that it can contain topic sentences for information about that career that you have not yet accessed in your research. It could be information that you hope to include. Okay, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.